Welcome back to study section 7 on AMP 201. I will be taking you through a quick tour on the topic livestock management system. Introduction. The system of management of farm animals depend mainly on the intended scale of output, farmers' conveniences, financial basis, and also availability of physical resources such as land and pasture. So traditional farmers largely keep their farmers on free range. This is done because the free range is very cheap and it requires little or no care, which allow more time to be allocated to crop production. So at the end of this study section, you should be able to explain all the systems of managing farm animals. You should be able to discuss the meaning of ranching. So let's take this learning outcome one after the other. There are 4 systems of managing farm animals. This includes nomadic herding, free range system, semi-intensive system, and intensive system. So nomadic herding is the first and the oldest system of managing farm animals, and it involves the movement of animals by man from place to place in search of water and pasture. So animals are thus exposed to various natural hazards and therefore they produce poorly. So the second one is free range system. The animal farmer is settled in one area or village, while his livestock, especially cattle, sheep and goats, is allowed to wander about either on their own or sometimes under the supervision of a herdsman, and occasionally the animals are being fed on farm or kitchen waste. The third one is semi-intensive system. In this type of system is regarded as the intermediate between the free range and the intensive systems of livestock management. In this system, the farm animals are kept indoors and parts of the time where they are fed regularly and sometimes allowed them to graze outdoors and fend for themselves in especially allocated pastures that is being called paddocks. So the last one is intensive system. Intensive systems in farm animals are kept under most specific management techniques such as indoor housing all the time with optimum temperature, balanced and precise feeding for the maximum efficiency and output of the farm animals. This system is very expensive and labor intensive, but is very, very profitable among all the systems of managing farm animals. Ranching. Ranching is the practice of raising grazing livestock such as cattle and sheep for meat or wool. It's also a method used to raise less common livestock. So a ranch is an area of landscape which include various structures given primarily to the practice of ranching. So ranches generally consist of large hectares but may be of nearly any size. So ranch includes arable or irrigated land. The ranch may also engage a limited amount of farming, raising crops for feeding the animals. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things from this video section. You can read more from your study materials. Join me for the next study section. Thank you for listening.